Alright, what's up everyone, this is Bird here, and today we're going to make character profiles, and you're probably wondering like what that is, and it's basically we're just going to make a scriptable object that holds our character information, like the name and the portrait for now, but later on we're going to add more things, and this will make it so that we don't have to manually input the name and portrait every single time. We can just slot in character profiles. So let's get started with that. We're going to create a script called character profile. We're going to open that up. And it's going to be very simple. We're just going to have a couple things. First of all, we're going to be deriving from a scriptable object. And then we're going to have some information here, like the name of the character and also the portrait of the character. So make public sprite, call it my portrait. And for now that's all we have, but later on we'll add a lot more stuff. And then we need the menu name, and I like to just get it from another script because I don't like memorizing it. We'll say new profile. Menu name can be character profile. And that's all we need. And we're going to create a new folder to hold all our characters. We'll call it characters. Actually, we'll call it character profiles, just to make sure we know what it is. And we can create a new character profile, and then we'll make a new character and call him Bob. Let's make two characters and call the second one Jimbo. And so we're gonna name him Bob and this guy Jimbo. And Bob is going to be a circle, and Jimbo is going to be a square. Cool. Alright, so now that we have that, we can now implement it with our dialogue manager. But we also need to implement it into our dialogue base. So we're going to create new character profile. Oops, we're going to make it public first. Public character profile, call it character. And we'll keep this other stuff for now, I guess. Actually, we'll delete it. And we're going to get some errors in some other places probably, yep. It's going to ask me, what is this? And we're just going to edit that out for now. And we're going to make dialog text my name equal to info.character my name. And then we're going to do the same thing here. And if you're wondering how I'm duplicating this, just go up to this line and then hit Control D to duplicate, and then it'll just duplicate it. And instead of dialog sprite equals info.portrait, we'll do character.portrait. There you go. And so now let's look back to our dialogues, and let's just create a new one. Let's just create a regular dialogue and call it conversation. I'll make it 3. And now we have this new character right here. And so now we can just click this little circle here, and it'll show us all the characters that we have. And so I can just do this, and I can do this, I'll do that, I'll say We can just, say whatever. Hey Jimbo, how's it going? It's going good, Bob. That's great, Jimbo. And now let's test it out. And so we're going to put it to a new conversation on the test object. We're gonna hit play. And we're gonna hit tab. And then we see, hey, we have Bob and he has a circle icon. And you have Jimbo, you have the square icon. And the same thing for the last one. And that'll wrap up this episode. In the future, we'll add in a lot more stuff to our character profiles and build it up, and so that we can have do a lot of fancy stuff with it. That's it for this episode, and I'll see you guys later.